In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to permanently delete your Instagram account, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application, click on your profiles icon at the bottom. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings and privacy. Now click on the search option and in the search bar type deactivation and deletion. Click on deactivation or deletion option. Select your Instagram account. Then select the second option, delete account, and click on continue. Select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. Scroll down and click on continue. Once again, click on continue. Enter the password of the Instagram account that you want to delete and click on continue. And once again, click on continue. Once again, enter your Instagram account's password and after that click on continue. And once you click on continue, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.